Outside already?
I was putting it on this one. Okay, we're gonna go.
Open the door, Meme. Oh, sorry.
It's mine.
It's Nana's birthday.
No.
You can say happy birthday, yeah?
No. It's not mine.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Nanay. Happy birthday to you. Make a wish, Nanay, and blow.
Wish na.
Anong wish nyo na?
Wish nyo.
Wish ko, mabayang di ba siya? Yeah.
Blow. Hi guys! So I don't know if you guys can see me or anything right now or even hear me. I'm calling TV up and picking her up and we're gonna go to the hospital to visit my friend Jackie because she gave birth. Oh, so exciting! Yoo-hoo! I'm outside.
Okay, coming.
Okay, alright, okay, bye! So yeah, we're gonna go head to Sack and Save, or no, we're gonna head to Safeway to get like some Welcome to the World baby Isaiah goodies. So yeah, we'll see you in a bit. I think it's a whale.
I want that one.
Is it a whale? Oh, that one is cute. It's a boy.
So, do you want to get one thing and I'll get another?
Like
balloon and flowers?
oh, and combine it?
Huh?
And combine it?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, that's perfect. It's not deflated though, is it? So what kind of flowers should we get her? What should we get her? Oh, look at these baby pumpkins. Makes me want to paint them. Like a DIY thing. So this is my second Starbucks for today.
First. You can always get a second.
And then I got her this monkey and these flowers. And then TV got her a balloon and some brownies and a Sprite. First thing that Jackie wants after her pregnancy is a Sprite. That's totally Jackie. We're gonna go see her now. Okay. Not working out. Hi Jackie. Sorry, you're gonna be on this vlog.
That's okay.
You're beautiful, no matter what they say. I don't want to get your boob in there though, so.
Oh, you're already feeding?
Yeah.
That's exactly what
I know.
What?
Yay!
Hungry, huh?
Hi,
You've been sleeping this whole time. Yeah.
is that your brother?
Yeah.
Are you a big sister now?
Daddy.
Oh, he's closing your eyes.
Oh,
Oh, bless you, baby.
I like the pictures.
Oh,
Is there another one? Is there another one? Is there another one?
didn't want one with like 27 syllables.
Look at those eyes. Oh my gosh, I just want to pinch it. Pinch, 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 pinch,
I
pinch.
can't remember my own.
Look at you. Auntie Belle. You are so cute. He's so cute.
Did you want to change this one?
Or no?
Oh, yeah.
You hungry? Sticking out your tongue.
Or leave
Are you looking for mommy's titty?
No, no.
Going back to your bed? Okay, let's move to this side.
Hold up.
Are you smiling? Are you smiling? Would call you at the store. Oh, sure. Sorry, that was really stock for me though to keep the number, to check the number. I was like, who's that? I haven't vlogged in a while, I'm so sorry. This is what I do. Good morning, guys. It is November 23rd and I'm feeling under the weather today. So I'm going to make me some soup and tea and hopefully that will make me feel better.